Hello friend, beautiful, lovely day for the universe Earth. And if you can see the ocean is flowing, blessing us. This is the time almost noon here in Wight in UK. And beautiful day. Yeah, sea is high. Lovely sunny day. We are in Wight right in freshwater base. This is beautiful little village. Freshwater base here. Good going. Wow. Yeah, I'm about nature today. How it's going in the nature, how it's going in the climate. It's beautiful. It's still in the earth, all well, and everything's all manageable. So what we do, just lots of meditate and lots of do yoga. This is best places for meditation. There's a cliff up there, a cliff up there. There's many other cliffs are here. There's a dragon footprints are here somewhere, a little bit 2-3 miles away. Yeah. And yeah, this is originally I do teach about healing, talk about yoga, meditation, Indian cooking, Indian clothing, about Islam, Muslim, Islamic, God, Allah. This is all my business. This means my habit, my hobby, and that's me. The planet Earth. Look at the beautiful ocean. Wow, this is blessed from God, blessed from a lover who loves, who created this. Unbelievable. Rowan, you want to say hello? Anything? You want to give message anybody? This is my boy, my son. I got one only. Thank you guys. Hope you like it. Lovely day. What? Say loud. Say look here and say that.
Press the Indian button for more Indian channels. Bye bye.
It's mean to just press more Indian channel for food or meditation and yoga.